Good Wednesday. I'm really sad today. Yesterday I did an unboxing and it was a total fail. I thought it was going to be a new Farberware sauce pot. The auction said it was new and unused, but it was very scratched up on the inside, so I'm really sad. So we're going to make sad salmon and cream cheese if I have to. I guess we'll use smoked salmon. I bought this a couple days ago. I guess we'll use that. And I guess we'll use cream cheese. We can't use Publix or Great Value. You've got to use Philadelphia. It tastes better. We're going to use linguine. I want something stringy to eat. And I guess we'll use pine nuts, because one of the recipes I looked at had pine nuts. There's very little in this recipe, and we're going to toast them. And then we have capers. We'll put capers in. Oh, I guess we'll use some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese that we will mix in with the Philadelphia when we cook it in our double boiler. And I'll grind it fresh in our little Oster blender attachment. So I guess we're making salmon, cream cheese, and pasta. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. I guess we have to try it. Let's try it with a piece of smoked salmon. I don't think I made the sauce saucy enough, but it tastes really good. This salmon is so mild. I think I'm feeling better. I'm feeling so better. I'm not sad anymore. Oh, this is good. A little more Parmesan. The capers and the dill, I can taste the dill. The capers are popping, man. I did not add any salt to this. It's just the cream cheese and the Parmesan and the capers. Let's just get another piece of salmon. That's my new favorite pasta. I'm happy. Who's sad? Not me. Thanks for watching.